Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on RHEL 10. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it, then click on MySQL community server, then select the MySQL Server version. See here we have the 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version, then you have to click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select operating system. See here we have the Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS versions. See here we don't have the RHEL 10, but select RHEL 9. See, once we selected, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we will extract the star file and we will install it. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Open terminal. Now go to downloads folder, CD. Downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL 8.0.42 RPM bundle file. So untar this one, tar-xf, give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name and hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be executed. Control A, execute them to install MySQL Server 8.0.42. sudo rpm-ivh star.rpm no deps star.rpm. hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. Control A. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. We have successfully started. Verify the status again. See, MySQL Server is started. Okay, and it is active and running. Quickly hit Control A. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of root account. So we can get it, temporary password, by going to more slash var log mysqld.log grep password. This contains temporary password. So give sudo, hit enter. See, this is the temporary password. So copy it. Okay, now run the sudo mysql _ secure _ installation. Hit enter. See, now we have to enter the password of user root. So this is the password. So copy it. Once we log in, this will be expired. So paste it. Hit enter. See, the existing password of root account has expired. Now we have to set the password for root account. So remember this password. Confirm the same. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Test yes. Reload privileges. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL with the new root account password. MySQL, Control A, MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay, we can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we got the same version. Okay, Control A. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Verify again. See, we have created database bank. Okay, now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run this use keyword, then provide the name of the database. Okay, now verify list of tables, show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so let us create a table. See, we have table customer. So now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now create user. Show users. You won't get the list of the users with this command. So we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user David identified by provide password for this user. We have successfully created. See, David user is created. Now exit MySQL. Now connect to MySQL with this new user. MySQL-u root-p. Sorry, username is David-p. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay, provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Exit. Now you'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.0.42 on RHEL 10. Sudo systemctl stop mysqld. Control L, also verify. See, MySQL server is stopped or dead 5 seconds ago. Qt also try to connect to MySQL server when it is stopped. Sudo mysql-u root-p. Then provide the password of root account. See, you are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. We have successfully started. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. Qt control A. Okay, if you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart mysqld. See, MySQL server is restarted 2 seconds ago. Qt. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or dbeaver on RHEL versions. ls these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.0.42. rm remove start.rpm ls remove this one also. rm give MySQL, give the tab ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.42 on RHEL 10. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.